Training. He as a kha hazu sini ko adam bote. If anyone heard about this for field before, okay, 2%. Okay, new for us. So this is a tool for ministry. Ayo apa na tu kasih le, mi say lo, jangan kat, akal lang kasih. Ni damai theo he, in say beket ni, ebat dah tak dah. Hichi fulfills tours he ministry bona dinga tha aya kati bangin na dong khachana na zakha hi liven evangelist min thangle zel hin bona zakhan ata da che mi te la dinga chi tha hin kei bang pha ka kisan covid kun chat chen kana zakhan naประเทศนี้ประเทศบ้านนั้นก็เยอะเลยประเทศก็ทำมาเองที่สุดก็แล้วนะจู่ก็มีก็สาเตหัวละอาจอมมีดังละอาจอมไอ้ที่จะน่าก็เสียจริงดิ้งไอ้เหตุการณ์ก็เยอะเลยที่ก็แล้วนะจู่ก็เสียจริงนะเห็นเอออีเสียมิชชันนารีมิชชันฟิลล์อาจอมมุนจ้าน้องขณะเก็บบอลตันมิชชันนารีอาจอมเฮสุตาวินไอ้เห็นละก็เกี่ยวกับเงิน practice บอลด้วยฮิไลฟ์เป็นไอ้เฮซิโอเป็นอาจารย์ตะปูนมีเลยหัวละปังหัวละอาจงรู้ไหมกี่เกล่ะเทรนนิ่งนักกี่บอลเห็นละทุก23 คุมินสุพิโอต่อห้องกี่บอลเลยมินิซีมณิปุรละกี่บอลเอาเสียกี่จ่ายกี่ตีเลยนะกี่บอลที่ตะปูนไอ้ละปฏิมก็มาก็เต่าจีนจู his name is Nathan. He is from US. He been in India for years by seeing Indian ministry, so he make it this as a fulfill, taken out from this Bible verse, Mark chapter 4, verse 26 to 29. This talks about the parable of sowing a seed, how the seed was sown and how it grows and then take the harvest. Similarly, even in the ministry, how we should sell gospel, and when people accept it, how will we do, and how will we form the church, and how will we train next leader. That is the idea. So he put it fulfill and the fifth part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not like this, okay? This way. And when we do cultivation, in order to sow the next year seed, we have separated some seeds that we call achi, right? Achi na, kupki na to ding achi di hello na. That help us to produce again for next year. Hiji ta bangat so minisya jang lam kai ki sim lo ba ile aba na di untalo. E wa so na la sa na to lam kai si na. If you don't create, if you don't make leaders, then your ministry or work will be end when you die or when you retire. So you need to make leaders, create leader while you are leading it. A leader who doesn't have a successor is a failure. Nah, lam kai za ama hel ni kisim do lo ho chu alo sam. Ti za chu lam kai ni sim di jin. So fulfill. Fulfill is a tool which any ministry can use it. Okay? So this is not organization, but it is a team of friends who work together for the cause of God and the ministry. Okay? So you can do also. So this fulfill tools will help us to make the work simple and effective. Now, he's a fulfill him, but he not he abailam sa chuta le effective chitik sirita. Hapat chong na. Ay wa kasi cho mi se lo kasi katio cho kan sei kit tai. Min missionary ring isei wa hele. In order to become a missionary, what should we do before we go for missionary? Missionary is chỉ what chúng chỉ mà sang ngày biết bỏ đi hay, yêu họ kia là gì? Bible cái gì lý na, hiểu ha? Bible cái xem tiếng, chúng ta lẽ bạn làm. So, according to our understanding, if someone to go as a missionary to some other place, the first thing we should think is that he should go and learn Bible in seminary. So he should have Bible degree. But in these tours, let me tell you, no need. Hichi tours ako nahi missionary na kibole. Bible na kasi masa se ngai lo. Kasi chula na. Isay lo kasi ji ka ti chong thong ta. Chứ ai các tổ không bị đòi Bible xin cái đầy đủ cho kìa. I like a simple believer who is a real believer who is committed to ministry. That's enough. Because this fulfill will help him how to do ministry, what to do according to the stage. We are going to teach, we are going to train. Chứ các tổ không bị đòi Bible cái xin cái đầy đủ. In Bible cái xin phát lẽ, what happened when they undegree? All their vision plan changed. They say, now I am graduate. The Lord hates brightness. So they are not useful anymore. Di đó sao? Mình Bible degree cái chạy phát không kỹ sát ta là degree chạy ta là. But thì mình mi kỹ sát thẹn là nó dùng được. But thì nó tổ kỹ sát chỉ không lâu. But thì thu tổ kỹ sát chỉ không lâu. But thì tổ chỉ không lâu nên tiếng Bible xem cái số dữ cái gì sao gì cho cái kiểu. Thế mà cái gì cho là cái dòng Bible xem cái chỉ mà xem mình cái món nó là cái cái ngay phê bể cái kinh hoàng là Bible cái xem pha na cái đó là vô đấy cái gì không. Now let's come to the point. In order to start, in order to have 30, 40 member church, how many years needed? Now, some kind of mission is people who are involved in the mission work, please think about that. In order to have 30 to 50 member church, how many years we need? Not that. If our hobung member som thuma pat soma ke ka na hobung khat tundo na dengai kumizan na. Instead, let me explain in English. There is like a calculation. One city or one place has 1 lakh population. In this 1 lakh population, 90% of them are unbelievers. So they are going to reach out this 90%. And when they see that out of this 90%, there are 5 churches which has 100 members each. So in order to reach out this, we need 900 churches. So this is more. That's why they just reduce it. Among these 900 churches, they focus only 10%. That is 90 churches. In this 90 church, just imagine, just think, 5 churches already exist. So 90 minus 5 is 85. In order to reach out these people, we need 85 churches more. So they calculated how long it will take by taking as a measurement of the church which already exists. So one church needs 30 years. Then, in order to have another 85 church, they need 510 years. Our next generation will not do it because 500 years. So this is how our current ministry process is going on. That's why we cannot reach out our neighborhood very fast. So we need to think this. Missionaries should think this. So let us see how the Bible says. Okay? Can you read Acts chapter 19, verse 8 9, 10. May bulin simbo. Thu se chu asang pu wen ji chu na man mo cha da ban. Ai la thu se sang ho cha man a chu me na hin huizin. School of Tyrannus kitia chun kumni ta pathin thu hilin na disciple bon le. A result we come with the chun. Hichi gamba Asia province a mi hozo se chu pathin thu za ta. Apostle Paul preached the gospel for 3 months. After 3 months, some people rejected and he left them. And some believed, so he took those people who believed and he trained them and he discipled them in the school of Tyrannus for 2 years. And after 2 years, all the province in that Asia heard the gospel. Okay? Did not say that all believe. All become Christian. No, but they all heard the gospel. Can you imagine that? Kita na sa loha, kung ni sunga hilay province chiang lu si pathin tu za ta. Pero hi kung za mission film ta, in sa pa na za lo na. Fui ma ka dem na lo, ikiba so ke yo. Ke yong ke jo no. Hi chi ja chu gospel ni cha thei ni. Cha chu pathin nai to da no hi ai ba ka se chna. Mi mu lo mi se lo i se yo chu cho ya. Na. So cha polin ana bol chu copy ngai ta chna. Hello ha. Iti a bol ha mi ti le discipleship na. Hichi to ke to chna he na bol chu. So hichi to ke to iti le ai ha jani. So cha polin ministry na bol dan hi hichi hi in la roi la picture line ko le hichi ke to chna he chu. Chỉ ra cho cùng ni cả trong trong ít chân chỉ ra tôi in Bible trong một sinh phiên hote. Let's read one more Bible verse.
Tu vangin hijigam kai sunga kana to na dingun a tapoi. Kum so na pa na nang ho hinga hungding ko sigma hi.
Chỉ tao này. Tu vangin hijigam kai sunga ka to na dingun tapoi thì sao sao thôi. Na. Can you read in Hindi?
परंतु अब इन देशों में मेरे कार्य के लिए और जगह नहीं रही और बहुत वर्षों से मुझे तुम्हारे पास आने की लालसा है।
काम करने के लिए जगह नहीं है ना? क्यों? ऐसा बोला 15 साल काम करता थे. After that, he's finished. Iki oi mo na hello bin na strategy wi khiam jam ngai chu cha cho tu cha mission modern jubilee article khari ji sa the importance of paradigm shift in mission wa ka ji le jan ba aka ben le ka ji lo lo ni I print pe ben ka lu han te lam ka ho ka ma ka phu ko ne zo pha ki cha ho ta lo ko ne he the ta na fu no na ka ko yo si text da ne ko pe le editor hoko ma ki phin lo ri lo le thu pi ta nan se yong thu pi ta ke bola paten ne bol pi ve ka ti mission lo e bolo he paradigm shift ki ti cho I to dan I bol dan he I shel ya nai cha cha tu ai ti chu I bol lo ai la ko mi za tong tong le wan ha pa chong lo ti chu na I bol na lai le bai lo se chu la pa cha cha hoi cha cha ti chu I bol na la la pa pen chu bol ngai a hoi ni pen chu chi ngai chu na chỉ là cho sao Poland cùng sống là na to là vậy there is no place left. Cái nó mình sống phi là chỉ kia chứ mà hít chỉ bọn này là chỉ hít chỉ tu tua đi nga aru pha le chỉ sang hỏi rồi không là cái hết na tu tua đi nga hít chỉ khéo thì cầm luôn lại chứ chỉ là cho fulfill cái gì training cái balls. This is the best way in order to fulfill according to this Bible verse. Do it. So, what are this four fields? Let me explain this. In the field, this is called empty field. This is seeded field. Because the seeds are here, empty. Nothing is there here, seed. Here is growing field. Here is harvest field. Okay? So if you sow any seeds, in order to sow the seed, you have to find out the place. Nah, lâu được hòn, lâu ít hòn nên mình sẽ có hòn đó mà sáng ngay sao? Hiểu không? Cái hòn đó phát lên muốn chỉ thế đi, muốn chỉ thế là không khăng đó, nè. Cái lại muốn chỉ không khăng đó thì này chỉ tao kêu, lại là harvest chẳng hạn phát, nè. Ít chứ bao nhiêu, bắt thiên tu sẽ nói, bắt thiên tu sẽ activate any crops. So now let us put into ministry. So this empty field review, how do you enter into ministry? And this one is where you say gospel sharing. Here is discipleship. Here is church. Now you have started church already. Okay? That is the process. So you have to find out to whom you're going to share the gospel, the place and the people. Share your testimony and share God's testimony. He's saying that to min antasana le ilodi disciple body. Changki Tuhan lang ahong gada rojo dallo mi ke koilo wi lang aga suri chita banga chu gospel mi sei pe ahong pin than le disciple body nai chula I dallo ba ri ti ta na choju ke ke. So when you share the gospel, use two things. This morning I have said already. And if somebody believes it, you have to disciple it. So there are tools here. I cannot say today. First, we train in 7 commands. Repent and believe. Be baptized in all these 7 commands. And there is short-term discipleship and long-time discipleship also. Okay? If disciple knows you, why chat vega mo? Christian ko kisu tay no. Disciple ay khan na ngayon. Christian ko adi tay nga disciple ha focus na. Kasi minta ho loy tu ninkuma gohate aga ko na. Discipleship ka kasim. So ni bo tay we. Then as you disciple, automatically the church will erect it. How many years we spent in order to start a church? 20 years, 30 years. But if you follow this in a month or a couple of months or 3 months time, you may have church already. Gang hello wrong na. I was at church from some look so it's a patai ja Chanila Tonka home get to notice. Amia Tama home to the and then about not to my leadership development. Leadership development. So those see 4 fields. Chai, Hichi Patai, Kisima training, Kibola, Hasia training, Bible, the Simkal Karinatun. Hila eating a Satan killing. Me disciple the modern I eating the modern Kiki Hill kids, Hasia Kibola. The normal Tata, if you're really interested, don't worry about, oh, I don't have money for training. I will come. You don't need to spend anything. So, Tuni, Tuesday, Wednesday. Atumaku pay lead pastor page. Eva, about the assistant pastor can issue. Just K com low and about it. K com all to Pache. Nah, Danso. K com all among Massa. Kinon patin to Jam Cassape. Come low on there, I keep on to keep on watching. She's teaching you right. Hilaya Hogan, I'm in town, lonely in a Tiduta. No, he won't hello. I don't want to about him. Chi who mean hanging him more than any lay, let's see them to touch. You know, he done he's on he done not to say. Is that so? It's a disciple, he patai ball by him. Long kai hoki said, Can hoping me or say so. Napon sa kay vai hoping ka nan pa do dio. Ay on the I will support you. Các cái bà trẻ đây chỉ ra chỉ chỉ mới thoát chỉ cái tiền phải cái vài là cái bắt tên zero tiền in khô đến là ông ấy dùng là các bạn có cái xiêm cho trái nè. This tool help us, number one, our spiritual growth personally, daily devotion and our spiritual life, and then in health ministry. Even though if you don't have any Bible degree, we will teach you how to do next by next. So this is a process. If you do this faithfully or regularly, at least it takes 4 to 5 years. So next by next it goes. When you train disciple and when you are going to start a church, there will be some teaching how to interpret the Bible and how to make a message to someone, because you are going to preach in the church. Nah, jadi di patin tu saya dah tahu kiki itu tu. Kita ni patin tu di tanah saya tengah tu patin tu Bible aku na doctrine tu lagi kiki itu. Nah, patin ni Bible itu kesan Jesus Christ, Holy Spirit, people who itu kiki itu. Apa macam? Kita lah leadership macam ni, anda ramai tu leadership kisi dah ni. Itu tu sih suka. Jadi kita ikat saja hele, kita kita cai je nani mu. Ayah bang, tamatan tu nak lagi. Boleh. Jadi kita bang patin tu tolong lu nak hele, izin tiba. Igel hilu, jangan kan sudi itu. Hohen, tu yang kaya saya bang, patin tu ni tiada hele. Buat saya igel tiada. 2023 Manipur boy na hong ma Amy zanam khat sitia hong zama cho X chapter 8 ka gel do cho hitia discipleship an ki bol he lew han 2023 Manipur problem ma mi zanam khat sitia hong zama cho sitia ge na hong mi pu do cho hello ha X chapter 8 na ko because of there was persecution, so all the believers except the disciples scattered abroad, and wherever they are, they start a church. Yo, to gali zamna na hobum fudu na lam kiya lo, good to people le mai kiya lo, aye to la ye ki disciple lo je wa chana. Sisa so in ko lo ikisim pa lo ngai cho. Ikin ko ikisim pa the na ichi tu to ka mo ya best ka mo ke. It's a say Pilaya too, Korea can achieve it Bible. Imagine say ready to I might you say come and design to Kade, Korea Kacharachi, Kaheta, Lomate, Tikaki Gel. Patina Tomakuma, it's Patina tools or town penna, Hichikadala, Korea Lankachiri also, Bible soon the Miki holding a Kachi, Patina Tompin. Come on, say the Koimaki Mulu may take a ticket. Jadi jadi patin tu jadi kita tang itu hilang tu kakian salah jadi kerana kita jadi kisi lo jadi the first 2 months aja mi nungka sudah mi kira mai trainer Kerala aja ke panole in 2 months aja mi somile ni pintalan ni tu pasti aja Korea aja celong tu macam itu nah aja ini dengan itu training ke bukan homi ke train homi apa nahi ninku baca yearly report ka gala so how many gospel sharing, how many people accepted nah gospel mi izat kama patin tu nisa izat ni next sama izat ni rezenga izat ni nangai no ma baptize ki bola disciple ki bola hobung ta ki put dam ti hoye dia annually report kala so kumthum kala ta jin kum chat kumthum nai kum ni ne te ni chu sedang ka ting ning kum so Patin opening ki say le Karnataka hi and Andaman hi Tripura hi na it's hosi siahi among the 61 churches na more than close to 2,000 people who have said the gospel. Hichila so there are more than 400 people accepted Jesus Christ in last year and 69 people got baptized. Nah, listen again. Whenever I teach about this, I used to take annual reports. So 3 years I already done. Let me tell last year, 2025, Karnataka, Andaman and Tripura. So among the 61 churches, we have shared gospel to close to 2,000 people. Among these, more than 400 people accepted Jesus Christ, and among those 400, 69 got baptized, and few churches, new churches started. So I praise God for that. That is how this tour goes. na cái bà cho mi dân đi lâm tiếng thọ cái gì chứ nào cũng phải nó tổ chứ nó thao nó rồi thì là cho chị ít bỏ số cái vài này cả bây giờ nó area cho bà bằng bà nó là cái tata chiang này luôn là nia ba thiên mang á em biết cái nó mình chụp cái gì làm thiền na đem thiền mà tao kêu tao mà cái thiền nó tao lung lung tại cái chỗ ấy gì vậy đấy yêu nó mà cái thiền này tao đâu na ban không làm đâu cái bài về nó cái này là cái tí đó nó bị ta lại phá tao chứ ấy chỗ tu sĩ bảy lắm ta simple ta cái chỗ thiền thông cái gì thì chỗ trái simple biblical reproducible. It is very simple. Everyone can do it. It is biblical. Everything that we taught, we teach, taken from the Bible, and it is reproducible. Today I teach you. Tomorrow you can do it. It is cute. See, actually, not jump to pillow. I will not give you notes like this. I will give you notebook and pen. You have to write it down. I can bring here projector and focus. No. Cái chuyện này chuyện cái hai phái sát tên laptop mê pp in phần nó nó bỏ luôn phần chỉ nó bỏ luôn rồi khi này khai là kan chọn pi dâu mấy thế ấy và nó nghĩ mi này phần là chọn pi dâu thế nào hả chú lớn à chỉ ra chú reproducible là hiện nay ngã chú mi dâu sẽ accessible thì nó sẽ simple ta cái rằng nó không cần phải chọn dâu nào hay dâu nào mi hiểu rồi chỉ chú cái gì pi này sẽ chú bảo sao phụ nữ nó ni pi tao nó chiều nó cái này đấy cái pi thì cái này đấy nó mà cái gì mới làm nó mà cái tôi cái gì đâu chỉ chú cái mà mi à cái ý lối cái là cái gì cái mà nó cái gì nè ai mà chú vẽ thấy được ngã chú vào cái gì nhảy thêm cái gì ba chú anh linh cái abu khát là chỉ vang chú can thoát thêm nó xin theo cho mà chỉ chú giang thấy đấy ai mà cái gì nghe lấy phát là cái giang thấy chú that's a simple tag here everyone can do it as long as you are interested in doing it na 이제 민탕 또 겨우 빌랑 그리고 이제 저 히나야 이 길나 나면서 lúc mùng sớm na khu, tất cả số mi hiện na khu, lần tiền để chỉ nào là mi họ dùng greeting board đi bắt đi lỏng, cái sim đó khác à, don't greet on the way, that means stay focused. Chỉ ra chơi mỗi căn phòng để cái phone, ấy là hết chỗ, cái mình dùng cái phone, chỉ khác là phone, phát chúng là phone thôi mình na, ấy mà chỉ board số giống cái ta focus à phải, thì chúng ta sẽ này. Hít hiến nó đổ nông lên đồng mình làm gì khá được, cái phải gây gì bên phải làm cái gây bên, cái thêm một tên chân xuyên tên, phải thêm lần pi bùi bên tên, cái bảo mẹ tôi em làm cái hoa qua mình thang qua bắt biểu tên, em để cái tàu này ăn lớn, à bà ta kia sản dụng làm ăn xuyên tên, rồi phải nó chạy này tan tệ.
Thì ô pasal cái part 7 cái part nào mà sẵn ăn không, học về bên tệ. Phát tế họ chạy na điều lệ anh lệ họ ipo in nè ta tin sẽ viên tàu nó khát anh mang ngầu về tin cái khăn na tu session close na dingen mong bông ông kẹt thằng boy tàu nam này bị viên tin cho dấu tiền lệ lăng ngọc quân chịu về tin tôn vai lòng hòn anh sẽ tin cho chú tàu nó ho anh điện nó ho chú thì nó trả được tan tệ
sai thầy ta dấu viên thì bao bát thiên thằng vợ này gặp biểu viên tàu này này riêng cái thế, nông sinh này có tu na dim set các bát thiên.
Ine nava emsu, yairin pagkai apa o pinigin apa kalam dongin bilang ni sende. I don't see I digin pagkain Lama pang o budo law sa dagte o lamusa chu naong pinakilang isang hitsi katike na kung wala itu halupin kensong katasan kay pagkay apate o kay di minapate kalampongin kilangi sande Dichigan kre evek kolsing ay ngay losing ahi kaya dingin pagkay Don't be here thing leo to tin. Ai ngai jun ho in sin ji so bi na. Ai la tu nin ge lo de. Ba tin hai na huai pi an se ai hai the ho dong ni aman ho mai ti ni kya do de de. Ki jin ji ba tu se ji ko bi na. Ki chan ji ba ri ko la rai chan ji ge ya si ba tin ni. Ai pi o hi he ji ko. Ni tam pi ni hai the se so ba tin ba choi na ba tin lo pi nai man ji kan ho ni na. Ye ni ge ya so de de. Ba ka ya pe Sing ng ngaylo Naghihay mang sampo Musa zi na umpina Na bolbi ho siyong Ay ngaylo ding ko'y maulaw Pagkay kaying mele Nang mabunahi Inep ng paem su Kalambongin kilang di Sumbe Titigan bahe Tibig kolsing Ay ngay lusing ahi Kaya dingin Pagkat Losing ahi kaya dingin pagkakapati kaya dingin pagkakapati Lo pinapatin